Alright, installing the camshaft. Make sure you've got a good assembly lube. Just putting a little bit on there. Rub it all around. And I'm going to go in just a little bit at a time and then add lube as I go. And you want to be really careful. Try and keep it centered. Try not to knock the camshaft against the bearings. And once I get to that next bearing right there, then I want to come in and lube up some more. Some more. Nice and lubed. For this last bit, I like to put the bolt in there in the end. Gives you just a little bit more leverage on the last one. Another thing that can help is with it upside down, I can put my hand in the back of the engine. There you go, that's in. That's it, and then install the thrust plate. I'm going to turn the engine over. Now, the thrust plate only goes on one way, and it's fairly obvious, right, because you have the oil hole there that you can see, but it's also labeled back bottom, so that tells you it goes that way. Right. And these torque to 10 foot-pounds. Well, that's how you install a camshaft. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.